Hi, this is Angela, and welcome back to to the blog. Today, we're going to take a look at continuing. I'm going to show you how to uh, how to do your tabs, and I'm going to show you a few more things. But right now, what I wanted to do is I don't know if you remember when I told you that this when we were doing the tabs, and actually what the tabs are they're new pages. So when we were working on creating your other pages, and we came to this page, which is, well, it's not a page, it's a tab right here where it says web address. And I mentioned that for the if you when doing your pages, if you're a photographer or an artist, maybe let's say who has a studio, and I don't know, it can be for various reasons, but let's say you have pictures or something else that you want to show your audience, and then what you will do is you can put the page title here, and if you have a blog or a Flickr account or something that holds your pictures, when I say blog, if you have another blog, um, or business or anything that has a website. I mean, anything that has a web address. You put the web address in here, and you click save. And then what happens is you come to when people come to your blog and they click on, okay, now this is the home, and that's what home does. Home brings you back home. Now on my blog, it doesn't say home. I have what says journal entries. So, but so you whatever title you want to give these, it's up to you. Anyway, so this is the home page, and remember, I kept saying Hoover, Hoover, but I meant hover. I don't know why I said Hoover on the other blog. But anyway, remember when I mentioned if you hover over a color, what'll happen? I think I may have said if you hover over a link, but it doesn't necessarily have to be a link. It's certain things when you hover. Now, this is a link, and you know that that's a link because of the line that's under it. So this is the hovering here when you change the colors, and we changed the color. Okay, now, so like I said, this is the home page, and now we're going to click um, on my other blog, which is which is this. Okay, so we're going to click on that and see it takes you to another page. Okay, and well, all of these take you to another page, but that particular, uh, this one takes you to a totally different website, is what I mean. All right, let me see here. Oh, okay, I need to go back to view blog. All right, and then you have your About Me page, and when you click on, you go to About Me. When you click on Contact Me, it takes you to Contact Me. Okay, now we want to look at um, what I want to do. Today, one of the things that I want to do is to take you through all of this. I'm not sure how much time this is going to take. If it doesn't take a little time, then, I mean, if it doesn't take a lot of time, then what I'll do is also show you how to change your background. Because there's another way for you to change the background besides the way that we did it earlier. Okay, now let me see. I was about to say so. Okay, so I did say it. Okay, now we're at the tabs text, and I want the tabs text to be white. I want the selected color to be black, and that's the writing. If I said white, you see what would happen. So I really don't want this at all. Um, but right now, I don't want to show you I don't want to show you the HTML like I had started doing on one of the other videos. I can't even remember if I published that video. Okay, I think I'm just going to do something like this. All right, so that's the tabs text. Now the tabs background, I have the background transparent and the selected color white. The post title, um, I have the post title the way that I want it. And the post title is this right here. If you wanted to change your post title font, you could do so right here. And if you wanted to change the size of that font, you would also do that right here. And remember, you can italicize or you can bold. And the date header, which I'm going to show you how to take out because I don't even like having a date header. But what I will do is make that background transparent. Okay. Um, and then the post footer, which is right here, I don't want to, well, okay. The text color I want white. The background I don't want, so I'm going to put transparent. And the shadow, I don't want a shadow. Okay. I don't like these either, but I don't think there's anything I can do. Well, there is something that you can do. And let's go ahead and apply the changes. Okay, next we're looking at gadgets. Um, the gadgets are these things right here. Um, so it's still like the date. I'm going to put that black. I don't want that to be seen, really. Will it do anything? Nope, it's not going to do anything. Alternative color. Okay, so that's the gadget right there and right there. Then it should be more. Let's see. Okay, no. So these are the only gadgets. And we're going to make those white. Images. Now, I guess I will pull up an image for you so that you can see how to, what this right here means. So let's go to the blog. Let's refresh it. You click on edit and for your image you want to go here. It's right next to link and video, and you click on that little page, and I will do what? Okay, let's do these. You select it, you add selected, and you click off, You see how the cursor changes? Okay, when you come here, you can click on the picture and you have small, medium, large, extra large, and then the original size. Now this picture is from someone else, so you wouldn't put this up without getting permission first or giving them attributions. Um, but we're not going to go into that. I'm using this for this tutorial purpose only right now. Okay, now I mostly like my pictures to be centered, but if you want your picture to the left, you would hit that. If you want it centered, you go there. If you want it right, to the right, you go there. If you want to add a caption, like for instance, you see where it says here made by, and so you would just say um, photo credit, allgood.com, something like that. Okay. Anyway, you click back on. If you want to remove the caption, that what you just wrote, you would do that here. If you wanted to look at other properties, image properties, the title, and an alternate text, you would put that there. Although I don't really know. I've never used this. Pumpkins title text. Does that go up here? Oh, okay. So if when you hover over your picture and you want people to see the name of it, that's what that is. That's what that does, the properties. And then if you want to remove the image altogether, you click remove. Now we want to update this. And then we want to go back to our test blog and we need to refresh, reload this page. Okay, now this is too big for the width of, you know, I told you I don't usually fool with the width. Entire blog. Let's see. Okay, it was at 310. Let's see. It was at 310. Okay, right there. And so that way you get a chance to, you can have a larger image. I like large images and I like for them to be about the length of my writing. Okay. Um, I need to apply that to the blog, but I don't think we're at a point where we can. Okay. Hmm. Let's reload. Okay, so now we're at the gadgets. No, we were at images, that's right. And the background color of the image. Can you see that? Background color. Do you see this right here? That's the background. And I want it black. But when you click on, this is what controls the, like, almost like the border of the picture. Okay, I want it black. Or let's see if we do transparent. How would that look? Yeah, transparent. And then the border color, I don't want a border color. So See? So did you see what happened there? If I take transparent away and put black, there's nothing. But you see that line? I don't like that. So I'm going to put transparent. You can either write transparent or whatever color your inner background is, you could make it that color as well. And then the caption title, I don't like having caption titles on my pictures, so I'm not going to say anything for that. And then we want to apply to blog. And I hope it has, okay, I hope it's taken. Now we're going to go to accents. And accents are the separator line, the color, and the tab border color. And if you understood what I said about I don't like the lines, I'm going to make this transparent so there's no lines. And the separate line, which is here and here, looks like. Let's see. If you want to see, if you're not sure, okay. I don't like that because I like big pictures and um I don't want to have like a certain dimension, so I will leave that like that. I'm going to apply it to the blog. And we have mobile button color. What color do you want the button on the mobile device when people go to your blog from their mobile device? White is fine for me. We're not adding CSS right now. And that is all. Let's see, there was one thing that I wanted to show you, but I can't remember. I need to take notes. So let's take a view, let's take a look at what we have so far. Okay, and so this is what it looks like, our test blog. Okay, well, we're at 17 minutes now, and oh, I know what I wanted to show you real quick. I want to show you how, if you don't want the date, how to take the date off of your blog. What you do is you come here and you go to layouts. When I say come here, what you would do if you don't know, you would just go to your blog. I don't want to get out of it, but you would just type the name of your blog, Creative Person Blog Test Page .blogspot.com, and when you get to this section, you want to go to layout. And when you look at layout, you see edit, 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 edit. All of these things can be edited. Not this. You can just add a gadget. Well, actually, once you add a gadget, then you can edit. But right now, since there's nothing in here, there's nothing to edit. But when you look at blog posts, let's go to edit. And do you see here where it says your page options? You have the control, it says main page options. Number of posts on main page. Google has 7. Let's say you want 5. Do you want the read more button? Yes, you should. Post page link text. All right. Wednesday, right here. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. I can't remember what this is. This is links to post. I don't like for people to see how many links I have. I do like to have labels, but I don't like for people to see what I've chosen for my labels. Show quick editing, show email post links. I think this is for you to show in case you want someone to email your particular page, which is good. You want that. You want it to show the share buttons because you want your work shared. It's up to you if you want your location known. I don't like that. And what else? I think that's about it. Did it work? I said, okay, it worked. Then you want to save arrangement. And then go view your blog. And see now there's no title. I mean, there's no date. I think in the next video, we're either going to make these a little bit bigger or we're going to put more because I like to have either bigger um, tabs or I like to have them almost the length of the pictures. So I hope this video is helping. If you have any questions, by all means, leave me a message in the comments section of the blog, or you can email me at gatewaystojoy@gmail.com, and I will try answering any questions that I have for you. I mean, any questions that you have for me. Okay, and I see you next time. Bye.